Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. One of the best travel credit cards in India, Axis Bank Atlas credit card has been discontinued for good. Now this came in as a huge shocker because yes, I was seeing some of the Instagram reels and Facebook videos saying this card has been discontinued, but I did not get an official confirmation either from my relationship manager or from the bank itself. So a couple of days back, one of my close friend, my previous colleague, he called me and said, Axis Atlas application is denied. I asked him why, what happened, what was the reason it got denied. He said they are not accepting Axis Atlas applications anymore. Now guys, don't get me wrong. If you go to Axis Bank website, still they are accepting applications for Axis Bank Atlas credit card. It is not been stopped. You can click on apply now and you can submit your documents. And even on Google, there is no official confirmation anywhere from the bank saying that this card has been discontinued. So when he called me and said his application was denied because they're not issuing Axis Bank Atlas card anymore and they are issuing Axis Bank Horizon credit card, which they're pushing right now as an alternative replacement for Axis Bank Atlas credit card. Now this is very, very disappointing because I recently moved to Atlas credit card maybe 4 or 5 months back, and this was one of the best. If you see the amount of requirement or eligibility criteria that you have to get this card is pretty normal. Okay, it is not like Infinia or not like ICICI Emerald, and it is almost giving same set of features when you compare to high-end cards, especially in the partner miles program. So I called my relationship manager and confirmed that this card is being discontinued or not being given to any new customers. Existing customers like me, and if you're holding Atlas, you can certainly keep it. But if you want Atlas credit card right now, this will not be issued anymore, which is a very, very disappointing thing itself, guys. I will explain why. And the latest card that is buzzing right now is Axis Horizon credit card. Now I'll explain you all the things where you need to know about, especially airport lounges, annual fees, and also partner miles program. And I am focused more on travel, guys, when you compare with Atlas and Horizon, because they're pushing Horizon to purchase Horizon and they're saying this is not available, this is being discontinued. I don't know for what reason as well. But in this video, guys, let's compare what are those travel benefits or travel differences when you compare between Atlas to Horizon. So first thing is the joining fees. Now this joining fees was 5,000 rupees plus GST, and annual fees as well is 5,000 rupees plus GST, whereas Horizon comes at 3,000 rupees plus GST. Yes, we can see a significant amount of 2,000 rupees decrease. That is okay. Even though the annual fees is more, if they're giving that much of benefits, it is really, really worth it. Not just airport lounges, guys, even the partner miles is really, really worth it. Now, the next thing is airport lounges. Now, Horizon, I'll first go with Horizon, has got 32 in domestic airport lounges that can be used in India, both international terminals and domestic terminals, which is very good. The best part about Horizon card is 32 lounges in domestic, and they've got a cap of 2 lounges per quarter in international. That is, if you opt for international lounges, it is 2 per quarter, that is 8 per year, because there are 4 quarters. So that is still okay. I mean, that is still fine. 8 international lounges and 32 domestic lounges is insanely good, especially the 32 domestic lounges. When it comes to Atlas, it's got 3 sections basically. As you know, we have gold, we have silver, and we have platinum. And as you can see on my screen, every thing has its own set of lounges, and which is pretty understandable because this kind of marketing or this kind of strategy of spending this more not only gives you benefit, which I'll talk about next, also the increase in airport lounges. Now this is all good, guys. This Horizon wins in both these sections. It wins in terms of annual fees and joining fees. It wins over what you get in lounges, because 32 is a huge number. Whether you use 32 or not, it doesn't matter, but 32 giving is a huge number. Let's appreciate Horizon for that. The next thing that I want to talk about is partner miles program. Now with taking this Atlas card as a welcome benefit, you get 2,500 edge miles. You call it miles basically. And when you opt for Horizon, this they're doing it very efficiently, because they want to push for Horizon. They are giving 5,000 edge miles. Even though they're giving 5,000 edge miles, it doesn't really make sense. Let me explain why. Because let's say you have 2500 edge miles you received after 30 or 45 days or after first transaction. It's completely all right. So let's say you have 2500 edge miles and you spend this card vigorously and you get 10,000 edge miles on your Atlas card. Now this 10,000 edge miles, a normal redemption in the Axis Bank app store, or you want to redeem this to cash, it really doesn't make sense, guys. The most effective way you can use this Atlas card is by transferring to partner miles. Now what is partner miles? So let's say you have 10,000 edge miles and you want to transfer this to Etihad Airlines or Qatar Airlines or my personal favorite Singapore Airlines, or you have Japan Airlines, or you even have Accor Hotels. Now, if you transfer this 10,000 edge miles, let's say Qatar Airways, you want to travel from Bangalore to Doha or Bangalore to Germany via Qatar Airways, completely fine. So when you transfer this 10,000 edge miles to Qatar Airways, it becomes 20,000 partner points. That means 20,000 worth of free flights you get when you transfer it to your partner miles. Now the big problem is in Horizon it's 1:1 ratio, not like 1:2 ratio. Now in Atlas you have 1:2 ratio. If you have 10,000 edge miles, it's 20,000 points. But in Horizon, if you have 10,000 edge miles, it is 10,000 partner program points. So you will not get 20,000 free worth of flights, you get only 10,000 free worth of flights, which is not at all good in my opinion. Now the main reason of taking or purchasing this Axis Bank Atlas credit card was because of the conversion of these miles. Sorry. So conversion of these miles is very, very, very important. And that's the reason I actually went for Atlas card. Now, our Atlas credit card, if I transfer it to Qatar Airways, let's say I have 30,000 edge miles, and for every 100 rupees spent, you get 2 edge miles. The disadvantage in these kinds of cards is, guys, when you pay for bills or when you pay for any insurance, you will not get any edge miles. That's another disadvantage, keep it in your mind. But if you're paying any school fees, or if you're paying any transaction on Paytm, or if you're using this as an Amazon gift voucher, there are so many hacks basically you can use this. The best part is if you want to buy anything in Amazon, don't use Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card. Transfer to your Amazon Pay balance from Axis Atlas and then use it. You will get those edge miles for that. So there are several hacks. I don't want to talk about all those things in this video. I use several hacks basically to make fully use of my credit card. Of course, insurance, swiping this in petrol pumps and all, you will not get any edge miles. But normal, let's say you ordered in Swiggy or Zomato, your bill is 1,000 rupees. Definitely for every 100 rupees, you get 2 edge miles. Those 2 edge miles is nothing but 4 rupees when you convert it to partner programs. It is very, very easy to convert. You can go to app and then convert. So in my opinion, just by comparing travel related information or travel related in terms of lounges, in terms of welcome benefits, or in terms of partner programs, this card Atlas stands out, and Horizon is definitely not an upgrade. It is definitely a downgrade in my opinion. Yes, it is still better than Regalia Gold or Regalia. It is still better than all those cards, Horizon, but still it lacks what Atlas used to give. And this may be one of the reasons they have taken this out and replaced with Horizon. They felt that, we are giving too much freebies away. They want to stop that. Like Regalia Gold is really shitty in terms of conversion to partner miles. It is 0.5, guys. Basically, if you have 25,000 Regalia gold points, you can only, if you convert it to any partner, it only becomes 12,500, half of it. Literally, Horizon is at least giving the same amount, but this thing, Atlas was the king of all cards in that mid-range credit cards kind of. This was the best. So what do you think about this? Please do leave a comment in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in my next video.